Guys, we got a turbo back, all shiny and new, rebuilt. Anyways, here's the new center cartridge they got. Precision turbo, the air cooled ball bearing. Fuck, I could have bought a journal ball bearing the same size for just as much as the repair. Cost me a shitload of shipping to get back to Canada. The border's closed, so that was cool. Thanks for that, China. Anyways, that's its hole. I might shorten this hose a little more. I already kind of did, but we'll see how it lays. I think it's alright. Let's angle. Anyways, gotta clock it. And I think we're gonna get some vibrant clamps. Order a cast elbow, 2.5 to 3. Try to make this pipe in one piece. It comes down. So I don't know. Then we'll clamp this side. Try to figure out what we're doing for an adapter. Got some carbon fiber to put on there to hide my junk. All my wiring and what have yous. There, picked it up a little. So I don't know. We got a couple things we want to tinker on. Still trying to put the door panels in. This thing's covered in dust. From rust. I was blasting some stuff on the other side of the garage. So yeah. Put her in, clock her, and figure out what we're doing. I ordered a Turbo Smart oil filter for it. That'll be alright. That was $100 from Australia. Again, shipping's awesome, but it's not too bad, I guess. I get my parts and I'll see if we get to play with this all this COVID going on. Who knows? The car shows, the races, there's nothing going on. Can't even go more than 2 people in a fucking store, so got those things on the go. The wagons are almost done. So yeah, this is what the engine looks like. Because I haven't been pointing it over here. So, yeah. We're working on it. I'm just not sure if I want to put it in there right now or not. I'll put it in and clock it at least. And I'll take the elbow off. Figure out what's going on. It seems like we got lots of time off of work, so we'll tinker. Just order parts and tinker. Order parts and tinker. It's actually nice out today. I'll take the kid out on the pit bike and rip down the street, give the neighbors a show. Alright, well that's an update. New turbo-ish.